Hello viewers, in this video we will discuss Advocate Protection Bill 2021.
What is this bill about? The recent incidents of assault, criminal force, intimidation, and threat caused to advocates while they discharge their professional duties have reached alarming heights. This has also resulted in law and order situations and deficiency in rendering professional services by advocates to their clients, apart from causing a deep sense of fear in the minds of advocates. Another issue which seems to be prevalent is the advocates in due discharge of their professional duties also face the threat of malicious and frivolous prosecution by the rival parties, which is also intended to interfere with the performance of their duties, in turn interfering with the administration of justice itself. On 2nd July 2021, the Bar Council of India released the draft of Advocates Protection Bill 2021. A 7-member committee had been constituted to frame the bill, keeping in mind the problems and adversaries faced by advocates and their families. Object of the bill. The preamble states that the bill is for the protection of advocates and their functions in discharge of professional duties. In total, the draft bill locates 16 sections in respect of its objectives. Section 2 of the bill, the definition of advocate is to be the same as in that of the Advocates Act 1961. There, advocate means an advocate entered in any role under the provision of that act.
Also defines act of violence. These include all such acts committed against the advocates with an intent to prejudice or derail the process of impartial, fair and fearless litigation. These acts could be of threat, harassment, coercion, assault, malicious prosecution, criminal force, harm, hurt, injury, etc. that potentially impact the living and working condition of advocates. These also include loss or damage of property. These offences are to be cognizable and non-bailable.
Punishment and compensation. Section 3 and 4 talk about punishment and compensations. Punishment can start from 6 months and extend up to 5 years, and for subsequent offences up to 10 years. Fine starts at Rs 50,000 and goes up to Rs 1 lakh, and for subsequent offences, fines can go up to Rs 10 lakh. The bill also empowers the court to award compensation to advocates for the wrong committed against them. Investigation by officers above the rank of DSP. The bill proposes that the investigation in these offences shall not be done by any person below the rank of SP and must be completed within 30 days of registration of the FIR. The bill also proposes the right of police protection to advocates upon proper investigation by the court. Redressal Committee. The next important provision in the bill is that of constituting a redressal committee, a 3-member committee for redressal of grievance of advocates and bar association have been provided at each level. Therefore, District High Court, Supreme Court, the head of this committee is to be the head of judiciary of that level, such as District Judge for district level, Chief Justice or his nominee for High Court level, and CTI or his nominee for Supreme Court level. The appointment of remaining 2 members is to be done by nomination by the respective bar councils. The president of the bar council shall be the special invitee at the meetings of the redressal committee. Protection against suits. No suit is to be instituted against a lawyer who has been working in good faith. Communications between the advocates and their clients must be respected. The confidentiality must be protected. Protection from illegal arrest and malicious prosecution of advocates. Section 11, Clause 1 of Advocates Protection Bill 2021 states no police shall arrest or investigate about it without a prior approval from Chief Judicial Magistrate and must have sufficient grounds for investigation of an advocate. If the Chief Judicial Magistrate, the prosecution or FIR or investigation is malicious, he shall grant bail to the advocate. If the Chief Judicial Magistrate finds the offence is triable by the Honourable Court, he will grant interim bail and discuss the matter with the concerned session judge as per Chapter 33 of CRCP. Section 11, Clause 2 of the Advocates Protection Bill 2021 states that if any proceeding found vexation or malicious, it will be quashed or dismissed by the Honourable Court. Section 11, Clause 3 of the Advocates Protection Bill 2021 states that if the proceeding against an advocate is malicious, he is entitled to receive compensation not less than rupees 2 lakh fixed by the Honorable Court. Presumption as to corrosion in case a public servant obtaining privileged communication from legal practitioner. Section 12 provides that when any public servant having power of investigation or arrest under CRPC is found in possession of or found to use his investigation any such privileged communication or material which can be shown to be obtained from an advocate, shall be presumed that such privileged communication or material was obtained by such public servant by corrosion.
Thank you for watching. Don't miss out other videos which has been published in Law Cafe. See you soon in next interesting topic.